All right, so we're going to unbox the new Elinchrom 3, which just came out today. I'll go ahead and start by opening up the package here, and we'll slide out. There's probably a case in here. There is. This sort of case has come with the lights over the last few years. Just set that aside. Let's get it unzipped here. Oh, wow. So it actually has like the adapter ring that they used to sell for, I don't know, more than $100 or something, but it's included in the case. I don't know if you remember, but the Elinchrom 1 came with a rubber gasket, and I actually have one sitting over here. We'll go ahead and take it off, and you can see what that looks like. So there is the rubber gasket compared to the new ring, and so that's going to come in really useful, having this proper adapter ring. All right. So there are the chargers, of course, which is not surprising, and the manual. And now let's go into the important part, which is opening up the light. They've got this bag that comes with it. We'll take that off. All right. This looks very much like the Elinchrom 1, just bigger. And I see that the knob is on here, just like the one that came with the Elinchrom 1, but I see a surprise in the pack, and that is that there is a lever down here. So I'm going to unscrew the knob, grab this lever, and I'm going to put that on instead, because that's going to come in a lot handier. The knob on the one didn't really hold with large modifiers, but I ended up getting a lever from them, and that did a great job of holding things in place. Let me just set this aside. And I have a 1 sitting here, so you can see the difference. All right, there they are. You can see that the 1 is probably about 1 inch or 3 centimeters shorter. Yeah, maybe even a little bit less. So it's barely bigger, and it's got about twice the power. And in case you're wondering, this dome does come off. I don't have one on my 1 right now, but usually I do. Now you can see what they look like here side by side next to each other without the protective dome on the 3. Well, I think that about wraps it up. If you want to watch a full review for this light, just head on over to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you there.